let's make the mango
In
salad.
the meantime, let's assemble the mango salad here. This is going to be something like an Indian chutney, no?
Okay.
Kaya nga lang, syempre, hindi tayo gagamit ng spices dito kasi minsan sasabihin ng ibang mga tao, yung chutney masyado maanghang, hindi nila makain. So, palalabasin natin yung tamis at asim. Ginamit natin ditong mangga, yung manibalang.
Okay. Manibalang.
Oo. Ibig sabihin
ripe
nun,
na siya?
yung kulay niya, medyo, parang akala mo hinog na dahil yellow, pero meron pa rin siyang asim.
Okay.
Okay? So, minced onions go in first. Wag po kayo mag-alala, matamis po ang red onions.
Yeah.
Nagkaalala yung iba akala nila kasi.
Ang ganda naman ng kulay niyan. Parang purple at saka yellow.
Season na natin. Lagyan na natin ng
Salt.
konting salt ito.
At saka we're using rock salt, no? Sea salt.
Yeah, mas gusto ko yung mas natural yan.
Mas gusto ko nga rin yun.
Lagyan natin ng konting pepper. Okay, now we tear off our wansoy.
Ito, syempre, it's freshly picked. Syempre, dapat tanggalin yung roots, no, Chef?
Kailangan tanggalin yung roots.
But the stems stay.
The stems will stay because there's a lot of flavor in the stems also.
Ang bango nung
Okay? So, we start tossing.
So ito, to taste rin, di ba? Yung the
taste.
onions and the wansoy.
Everything is to taste. Okay? So ito. Now, we will start putting in the tomatoes.
The tomatoes, mas konti syempre sa mango because it's mango salsa. So yung tomatoes natin, it's just to enhance the mango. Hindi naman siya dapat pantay yung...
And also to provide yung bright color niya talaga.
Yeah.
No?
It's really nice. Sarap kainin.
So does this look good enough for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Pwede na kumain.
Hintayin lang muna natin yung ating main dish dito.
Simmering sila dyan.
Okay. Now, as a finishing touch, no? Or second to the last finishing touch nito, we're going to squeeze some lemon again, no?
Oh, hindi. Okay lang sa akin na maghintay sa lemon.
Okay,
Sarap
for our viewers, makikita po nyo, I'm going to squeeze the lemon using my hand as a strainer. Huwag po kayo mag-alala.
Nagugasan ng kamay.
Lahat po kami dito, before we do our cooking on the show, we make sure that, you know, we observe yung proper sanitary procedures.
And besides, tayo naman kakain eh.
Of course. At saka, you want to do it talagang rustically, no? Talagang outdoors tayo. So, hey, let's do it the old-fashioned way. Alright? Strain out the seeds using your fingers. Finishing touch yan. Okay? So, lemon's done. Now we spruce it up with a little bit more wansoy on top.
Oh, para may magandang deco.
Yeah.